Now, there's many reasons why you might end up with a hole in your wall. Your kid could have punched it in, electrician could have need to run his wire. You just never know, but it happens. Here's how to fix it, at least to the best of my ability. I don't do this very often, and when I do get a project like this, it's very far and few in between. So stay till the end and let me know what you thought of the finished product. So I installed backing so I could put the new drywall in, got that in, screwed in, secured. Then I put the first coat of mud in, got the tape in. Now you can see it's kind of drying. It's important after you do a few layers, whatever you need to texture it so it matches the wall. And you can see this is my artistic ability of trying to make it match. This is here dried and getting it closer to look like the wall. But of course, you're going to have to sand it to make it smooth. And then you're going to want to add some paint, and it's important to get the exact paint color of the existing wall, or else no matter how good you are at matching it with your skills of drywalling and mud, you're always going to tell that it was a patch. So do it, get a roller, get that paint on there. And this is still with the paint wet, but wait a second and I'll show you the finished product with it being dry. You let me know. Can you tell there was a hole ever there? Like I said, I'm no pro, but I did my best.